Hey guys, we're back at ToyotaCon 2021, HQ Confidential 2021 here in Plano, Texas, outside of Toyota headquarters. Technically, we're inside headquarters, but I'm outdoors. We got something extraordinarily special here. This is the LFA Nurburgring. Yeah, this is pretty special too, not gonna lie. One of 100 Inspiration Series LC 500 Launch Edition with the structural blue. You don't see a lot of structural blue, and man, this color's out of this world. Man, look at those seats, man. I got a LC convertible waiting for me at home for review, but I don't have one of these. And you don't see a lot of these in your lifetime, and there's definitely none ever going to be made ever again. Even this B, this guy, he's so happy that the LFA is back outside so he can make sweet love, sweet B love to this LFA. Oh, feels so good. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He just pollinated the LFA, guys. Oh man. So this is a little emotional, you know. I haven't seen an LFA Nurburgring in probably about two plus years, and here we are back again with this beauty, Yamaha tuned V10, the soundtrack straight from heaven. No, I'm not going to be able to fire it up and drive around with it and give you guys that experience that I want just as much as you do. But we're just going to bask in its beauty. It's a little bit emotional. I also filmed a video while I'm here at HQ Confidential of the Land Cruiser Heritage Edition. Not quite as exclusive as this car, but it's a bit emotional because they're both gone. They're something special in totally different ways. But man, I can just sit here and sit in front of this car. See those benches over there? I could just, have people sit in front of a beach and enjoy the view. That's what I can do with the LFA. And the weather right now, the overcast, makes it perfect filming right now for this LFA. So I'm going to give you guys a very slow and detailed walk around of the vehicle. Of course, you have the carbon ceramic brakes, and of course they look great. These wheels, look at that inset, that deep inset of that wheel connecting with those lug nuts there. Actually, they're not lug nuts, those are lug bolts. Definitely a higher tier than a lug bolt. You see those high quality brakes. And if we look in the inside, hopefully we can get a non-reflection going on, but I don't want to touch the beautiful glass of the LFA. Red interior, gorgeous on this white paint color. And of course, carbon fiber roof. That doesn't come as a surprise. And you guys probably want to see the back of it. And that's where one of the most magical things in the world comes from, which is the exhaust note on this car. It is the intro to my channel. This thing is a gift from the gods of Mount Fuji, the Takumi. Who are those gods? Mount Fuji. And here it is from the back. The LFA looks like nothing else. Guys, this car looks brand new. I'm not saying it's because in mint condition, I'm saying it's because the design has held up so well since 2012, right? And getting close up to the carbon fiber right above the rear taillights. Of course, that was standard on the Nurburgring package, but it was an option on the standard LFA. Only 500 LFAs were ever made. This being one of 50 of the Nurburgring package, which gives it a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more carbon fibers. You can see this huge wing right here. There's a couple things it does as well. I'll put them on the screen. But yeah, this doesn't have the spoiler that pops up because the wing is fixed. Just imagine the exhaust growl coming out of the LFA rear right here, guys. Well, if you zoom in, do you ever think you'd be zoomed in inside of the LFA's exhaust? Did you think it would ever happen? No other tailpipe sounds like this. You can just see the carbon fiber on the bottom. I've never noticed that on this vehicle. It sits so low to the ground, you don't really see what's underneath of it unless you put it up on a lift. This thing is just magical. The father of all these F cars, these F Sports, is the LFA. You could say the ISF, which I'm sure there's one around here somewhere. The LFA is definitely the pinnacle of Lexus engineering, and a pinnacle of a time that has long passed, as the sign behind me previously said Lexus electrified. So guys, things are changing rapidly in the industry, but this vehicle will never fail to impress us. The sound, the looks, the uniqueness, the rarity of this beauty. It's amazing to be able to witness. And guys, I'm gonna end it there. Signing off from ToyotaCon, hashtag HQ 2021, HQ Confidential 2021. There are so many different names I've been calling it. So LFA guys, signing out. Have a good one. Oh, back there, by the way, 2022 ES refresh. It's got the new headlights. Not really worth talking about when you have this in front of you. Catch you guys later. I haven't driven with a professional driver before today, so this is pretty cool.
You went with Scott already?
Yeah, yeah, that was nuts. That was fun.
That was play.
Oh yeah, I can see why this doesn't get boring for you.
No, I mean, in this thing, the fact that we could drive to Austin right now and be so comfortable and just pounded it on the racetrack is pretty unique.
Well, and I've never like appreciated the soft knee pad here before.
Yeah.
There's a reason why it's here.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Kind of get flared out.
shape the project and dictate dynamic behavior of the vehicle. In a profound cultural shift, the CE will be responsible for guiding the teams that develop vehicles to a new elevated standard, defined by Master Driver Architecture and Lexus International President.